Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Tuesday the 25th of October 2022. Not much to report in crypto world so far today. It's been a really quiet day so far. If anything that I could point in your direction would be the daily inside bar printed on Bitcoin yesterday. So you can see if I go to the bar chart, what I'm referring to, basically the high and the low of the previous daily bar was inside the high and the low of the previous daily bar, and sometimes what that can tell us is that there's a breakout pending. You can see the very flat price action that we've had now for a little while. There have been some really solid bounces at the bottom of the range down near the 18260. Continues to hold, but it does seem that bears are still around, and especially around this 50-day moving average. You can see we've just rejected off there on that inside bar. So basically the strategy for today maybe would be to watch a breakout of the previous daily low, which would be around 19,170, and if that breaks, maybe target and move down into around the 18,800 area, or even that most recent low 18,657. That's Bitcoin. Where we are on Ethereum, well, we continue to hold quite successfully above the 1281, but as you can see, we've not moved now for the best part of 3 weeks. Quite interestingly, I've been away from the desk myself, from the trading desk for the past 3 weeks, and I've certainly not missed very much when it comes to these crypto markets, because we're trading at pretty much the same prices that we were at back when I did the last recording. Where do we go from here? Well, after a relatively promising weekend on Ethereum, just haven't been able to follow through on that. You can see yesterday just giving back some of them gains, and now we're back towards what was at the upper end of some of the recent daily bars around 1340, so that we're looking to hold around here, otherwise it's a move back down into 1280. Ripple, as you can see, looking now to fully fade or even try and fade its most recent spike higher. It's been edging lower over the past few weeks, and now looking more likely than not to pierce below the 44 cents mark. And if we get through that, of course the most recent lows are going to be the areas to watch, the levels to watch initially, but then overall I'll be looking for a move down to 0.3870. Litecoin, last but not least, also not really gone anywhere in recent times. 52.37 is where we're at. Below us we've got some pretty key support at 50, so you can see that $50 handle, pretty key. If we can't hold that, then we see a sharp move down into 40 on the cards. But as we continue to hold, it's a relatively decent risk to reward trade to be looking to buy around the $50 area for a move back into this little region that we're in now, around 55. I think that's it from my end for today, guys. I'll see you all inside the chat room. Until next time, all the best with your trading, and bye for now.